So I'm now joined by Nick de Klerk, who's the Associate Director Supply Chain at TMX. Hi Nick, great to see you.
Hey Lawrence, thanks for having me.
My pleasure. Nick, please tell the audience a little bit about TMX and your role in the supply chain.
Sure. So at TMX, we help solve clients' supply chain problems. And that covers everything from developing a supply chain strategy that meets and supports the business strategy, as well as distribution center design, procurement and implementation of automation, supply chain management systems, and industrial property as well. Personally, I specialize in DC design, network design, and simulation. So I've worked very closely with the development of the metaverse and the simulation offering that I'll be discussing at CeMAT.
Fantastic. So you're perfectly positioned for my next question is, what do you see as changes and what's impacting the industry at the moment, Nick?
Sure. Well, there's low capital availability due to the high costs of capital. So there's an increased focus on supply chain optimization rather than procurement of new facilities and equipment. So it's helping customers understand how they can sweat their assets more through improving the utilization of what they have. And we're also seeing an increase in market fragmentation across various automation vendors. There's a lot of new entrants into the market from China and India. So it's becoming increasingly competitive and a more complex landscape to navigate. It's also, the automation is getting far more complex, and how that automation integrates with the facility is becoming something that is a lot more complex than it was several years ago.
Yeah, great points. And I'm really can't wait to see your presentation on metaverse. I know there's some really cool stuff you're going to be presenting, but tell us, in a few words, why you're so excited and TMX is so excited to be part of CeMAT 2023.
Well, CeMAT's the largest industry event. I've been visiting since 2014, and it's a great opportunity to reconnect with industry peers, share knowledge, and see the latest and greatest innovations in the industry.
Wonderful. Well, thanks so much for joining us, Nick. I think, as I said earlier, I'm really excited to see your presentations. Always great to catch up with the team at TMX, and looking forward to seeing you all there at CeMAT in a couple of weeks.
Awesome. Thanks, Lawrence. We're really looking forward to it and very excited to show you what we've been working on.
Fantastic. We'll see you soon. Thanks, Nick.
Thanks, Lawrence.